Yo, what up? The Cosmic here. I just wanted to go over Xspa real quick. They dropped an offering this morning and a lot of people have been freaking out about it. You can see right here that just caused a huge crackdown. And you may be asking yourself, well, why is it pumping back up? The reason why, and this is really important to read the SEC filings. You go down here and you look, and what they actually did is they dropped their offering at market price. So the offering was dropped for about, I believe, $5 at $5.25 per share. Right there. So you get, and whenever the offering was priced, it dropped like right around here. So this people see offering and they get freaked out. Oh no, an offering. Oh no, an offering. Well, let's look at what Xspa has done recently. They did a reverse split. The reverse split, in effect, actually cut the amount of available shares into a third of what it was. Now they're doing an offering for their common stock. So they are putting more stock back in, more shares to be available back into this stock. So that's my thoughts. That's my opinion. I'm not scared. I'm still in it. This didn't scare me out, honestly. If I had liquidity, I would have probably averaged down actually a pretty good amount right here. But I can still see this running. It's that offering wasn't anything too scary, but if you caught the offering using, Benzinga Pro, let's see whenever it was announced at 540, not 5:48, 7 o'clock in the morning. So 7:04 a.m. right here. If you caught this, you could have been prepared. If you're a short seller, you could have gotten in and shorted it and made sure you took your profits at almost $1 a share. If you're not a short seller, you could have just waited for the back crack and the bounce, got in where it showed it had a nice reliable level right here at 455, and caught almost a nice 50-cent bounce. Oh, if my ideal entry, I would have let it bounce first and come back down to see if it proved this 460 level as a good resistance zone or support zone. And it did. And now it's gone back up and it's kind of average consolidating back down. So I can see this coming back to meeting 525 anytime. Honestly, that's what I did with HEXO. If you go back and you look at their 1 month chart, they dropped an offering, and the offering was for 69 cents market price. And I believe I was in it down here. And I sold like right about here. But it came back up to the 63 cents and then it just kept going. So if a stock drops an offering at market price or above the price, you can expect that stock to run up to the offering price. And that's what I expect Xspa to do, and I expect it to keep going further. But this is all speculation, and it's just my opinion. Do your own DD. I'm not a professional advisor. Trade at your own risk. As always, like, subscribe, share this to your friends. This channel is growing fast, and I cannot do it without you guys, and I really appreciate it. So thank you so much. Peace.